Hello everyone, how are you all and what are you doing at this time now? And I hope you are very well. And my name is Antima Tiwari and I am here to speak about speaking English. And you all welcome my YouTube channel name. You are all welcome my YouTube channel, and this is my new channel. I hope you will support me, and let's start and any waste time. Going to tell about speaking in English fluently in public speaking, because and you have you too, and because first of all and you understand everything in English, but you can't speak in English fluently in public speaking. But first of all, you already doing and you thinking in English, because if you are homemaker and you thinking and you doing and now and you thinking, and I am making chapati, I am rolling chapati, and I am clean my kitchen, and you a student, because you thinking I am a writing, and I am a reading, I am a going to school, and you speaking in your mind, and you speaking in your mind, because improve your skills, and you able to speak in English, because first of all you living in home, and you watch your favorite and serial, and you watch and favorite movie, and you watch Telex web series, because you watch, and whatever you watch, because only you watch in English, and you are beginner, and first of all watch in Hindi, and second time you watch in English, and first of all you watch in Hindi, and second time you watch in English, because and you understand everything, because and you watch your favorite serial, and you watch web series Netflix, because and you watching in English and no Hindi, and watch only English, and you thinking in English without any Hindi, and you doing now and you thinking in English, and that is in English, and you doing, and you if you doing, because improve your English and improve your skills, because and you watching Netflix web series, because and you read subtitle, and stop video, and you read subtitle, because you read subtitle, and you understand everything, because and some days you doing improve your English and change yourself and just believe yourself and doing only 1 month, and you doing only 1 month and change your speaking in English, and you read subtitles and improve your pronunciation day by day, because and you watch and English song, and you watch English song, because you watch English song, and some days you not understand anything, some days you not understand anything, but after some time and you understand everything, you understand everything, and you watch English movie, and some days and you not understand anything, but in one movie, and watching in one movie you watch again and 3 and 4, again and 3 and 4, and watch movie, and you will understand everything. And listening song in English, and you listening song in English, because you listening and one line you listening carefully, and second time stop this video, and you speaking, you try to speak, and you try to speak, and you try to speak and improve your pronunciation, and you listening in English song, and you listening, and you started speaking, and stop this video, and stop video, and started singing, because and you singing and improve your pronunciation. Okay, that is enough, and I will meet you tomorrow, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and share. Okay, bye bye, Jai Mata.